whenever Christmas comes, I always imagine how the world must have felt on that night. The night where hope quietly stepped into the earth.
But I don't think it was fully quiet. Something tells me that the joy must have exploded like a festival, like a first blast of celebration.
Exactly, the kind of moment where even the stars look brighter and the ground feels like it's waiting for a rhythm to begin.
And today, the rhythm is right here, strong, steady, and full of life. The heartbeat of Pare that turns stories into celebration.
They say when Jesus came, heaven sang, people gathered, and the earth rejoiced.
And if joy had a sound that day, it would have sounded like this: bold, vibrant, and unstoppable.
So, today isn't just a performance, it's a moment of joy, retold through beats, recreated through rhythm, and relived through celebration.
And every Pare track you hear will echo the same message. When he came, it was a blast.
So, dear audience, get ready to feel the energy of the night come alive again.
With your warm applause, let us welcome the performers of Parayattam dance, which is going to be a blast.
You absolutely lit up the stage. Thank you, children. Clap for these talented performers.